Good afternoon, my dear students. Presenting another video on international trade, and our today's title is Importance of International Trade. In between, whenever you get time, please go through these important instructions while attending online classes. If you follow these instructions, your online classes will be more effective. So we'll go to next slide and see the title that we are going to discuss in this particular video, that is importance of international trade. In other words, we are going to discuss the merits or benefits of international trade to an individual and the nation and to the entire world. The first title here is Foreign exchange. International trade helps us to earn foreign exchange. Before we know different aspects of foreign exchange, we need to know what is this foreign exchange. Foreign exchange is foreign currency for us. For example, American dollar, European euro dollars, Japanese yen, Pakistani rupee are foreign exchange or foreign currencies for Indians. Similarly, Indian rupee is foreign currency for foreigners. Indian rupee is foreign exchange for outsiders. So foreign exchange means foreign currency to an individual. Now one more question I have raised there. Why we need foreign exchange? Why we want foreign currency? We need foreign currency or foreign money because we buy so many goods and services from foreign countries every year, and to make the payment to the foreigners, we need foreign currency. Similarly, every financial year we make so many international commitments like investment, ventures and all those things. To make payments for all these international transactions, we need foreign currency. International trade helps us to earn foreign currency. If we do not enter into international trade, then we may not earn foreign exchange or foreign currency. Now next one is, under the same title, we have one more question. How to earn foreign exchange? How international trade helps us to earn foreign exchange? We earn foreign exchange through exports. We earn foreign exchange by selling our goods and services to the foreigners. We also earn foreign exchange whenever foreigners make investment in our country. Whenever foreigners visit our country as tourists. Through all these transactions, we earn foreign exchange, foreign currency. Foreign exchange is very important to deal in international trade. It is one of the parameters of economic strengths. A country which has more foreign exchange is assumed that economically a strong nation. Foreign exchange is one of the parameters of economic strength. Thus, I would like to conclude saying that one of the importance of international trade is it helps us to earn foreign exchange. Foreign exchange is very important to make international payments or while buying and selling goods and services. So this is all about one of the benefits or merits or importance of international trade. In next slide, we have another important